Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. OK, let's dive deep into disabling Windows Defender, now officially known as Microsoft Defender Antivirus, in Windows 10 and 11. It's crucial to understand the implications of doing so and to exercise caution. Important considerations before disabling Defender. Security risk. Disabling Defender completely leaves your system vulnerable to malware, viruses, and other security threats. Defender provides real-time protection and is generally considered a solid, built-in security solution. Only disable it if you have a legitimate reason and a reliable, up-to-date alternative antivirus solution in place. Temporary versus permanent. Decide whether you need to disable Defender temporarily, example during software installation that conflicts with Defender, or permanently. A temporary disable is often sufficient. Group policy versus registry. Both group policy and registry edits can be used. Group policy is generally preferred in a domain environment or if you want to manage settings for multiple users. Registry edits are more common for individual users. Alternative antivirus software. If you install another antivirus product, Windows Defender will usually automatically disable itself. However, ensure that the other antivirus software is actively running and up to date. Methods for disabling Windows Defender. Here are several ways to disable Windows Defender, ranging from the simplest temporary methods to more permanent and advanced techniques. 1. Temporarily disabling real-time protection, easiest. This is the quickest and most recommended way to temporarily stop Defender's active scanning. It's easy to revert. Steps. 1. Click the Start button. 2. Type Windows Security and press Enter. 3. Click on Virus and Threat Protection. 4. Under Virus and Threat Protection Settings, click on Manage Settings. 5. Toggle the real-time protection switch to off. 6. Confirm the User Account Control, UAC, prompt if it appears. Important notes. Real-time protection will automatically re-enable itself after a period of time, usually after a reboot or after a certain duration without a full scan. This is a security feature. This only disables the real-time scanning engine. Other Defender features, like cloud-delivered protection, might still be active. Defender might display a warning notification in the system tray indicating that your PC isn't being monitored. 2. Disabling cloud-delivered protection and automatic sample submission, if needed temporarily. Sometimes, in addition to real-time protection, you may need to disable cloud-delivered protection and automatic sample submission to prevent certain false positives or compatibility issues. Steps. 1. Follow steps 1 to 4 from the previous method to access the virus and threat protection settings. 2. Toggle the cloud-delivered protection switch to off. 3. Toggle the automatic sample submission switch to off. Important notes. These settings will also generally revert on reboot. Disabling cloud-delivered protection reduces Defender's effectiveness against new and emerging threats. 3. Using Group Policy Editor, permanent/semi-permanent, recommended for domain environments. The Group Policy Editor, pedite.msc, allows you to configure system-wide settings. This method is often more reliable and persistent than registry edits, especially in managed environments. Important note. The Group Policy Editor is not available in Windows 10 11's Home editions. You'll need Windows 10 11's Pro, Enterprise, or Education to use this method. Steps. 1. Press Win plus R to open the Run dialog. 2. Type pedite.msc and press Enter. 3. Navigate to the following path in the Group Policy Editor. Computer Configuration Administrative Templates Windows Components Microsoft Defender Antivirus. 4. In the right pane, double-click the policy name Turn off Microsoft Defender Antivirus. 5. Select Enabled in the Policy Settings window. This seems counterintuitive, but enabled in this context means the policy is enabled to turn off Defender. 6. Click Apply and then OK. 7. Restart your computer for the changes to take effect. Asterisk to re-enable Defender, after disabling. 1. Repeat steps 1 to 3. 2. Double-click the Turn off Microsoft Defender Antivirus policy. 3. Select Not configured or disabled. 4. Click Apply and then OK. 5. Restart your computer. 4. Using Registry Editor, permanent/semi-permanent, use with caution. The Registry Editor, regedit.exe, is a powerful tool for directly modifying Windows settings. Incorrectly editing the registry can cause serious system problems, so back up your registry before making any changes. Important ****. Back up your registry *** before proceeding. Open regedit.exe, go to File Export, choose a location and name for the backup file, example registry backup.reg, and click Save. If something goes wrong, you can double-click this file to restore the registry. Double check your paths ** verify that you are editing the correct registry keys and values. Steps ** 1. Press Win plus R to open the Run dialog. 2. Type regedit and press Enter. 3. Navigate to the following registry key. H key _local _machine \software \policies \Microsoft \Windows Defender. 4. If the Windows Defender key doesn't exist, you'll need to create it. Right-click on the Microsoft key, select New Key, and name it Windows Defender. 5. In the right pane of the Windows Defender key, right-click on an empty space, select New DWORD, 32-bit, value, and name it Disable Anti-Spyware. 6. Double-click the Disable Anti-Spyware value. 7. In the Value Data field, enter 1 and click OK. 8. Close the Registry Editor and restart your computer. To re-enable Defender, after disabling. 1. Repeat steps 1 to 3. 2. In the right pane of the Windows Defender key, either delete the Disable Anti-Spyware value or set its value data to 0. 3. Close the Registry Editor and restart your computer. 5. Using PowerShell, Advanced, Scriptable. PowerShell can be used to disable Defender via command line scripts. This is useful for automated deployments or advanced users. Disable Defender via PowerShell, requires administrator privileges. Explanation Set preference, this command is used to configure Microsoft Defender antivirus preferences. Disable real-time monitoring $true, this parameter sets the disable real-time monitoring preference to $true, which disables real-time protection. Re-enable Defender via PowerShell, requires administrator privileges. Explanation Disable real-time monitoring $false, sets the disable real-time monitoring preference to $false, which re-enables real-time protection. To run PowerShell commands 1. Click the Start button. 2. Type PowerShell. 3. Right-click on Windows PowerShell, or PowerShell, and select Run as Administrator. 4. Copy and paste the desired command into the PowerShell window and press Enter. 6. Using command prompt, less common, mostly for older versions. Command prompt can also be used, but it's generally less direct than PowerShell. Disable Defender using command prompt, requires administrator privileges. Explanation *reg add, this is the command to add a registry value. *h key _ local _ machine / software / policies / Microsoft / Windows Defender, the registry key path. */v disable anti-spyware, the name of the value to create, disable anti-spyware. */t-reg _ dword, the data type of the value, 32-bit dword. */d1, the data to set for the value, 1 to disable. */f, force the addition of the value without prompting for confirmation. *re-enable Defender using command prompt, requires administrator privileges. Explanation *reg delete, the command to delete a registry value. The rest of the command is the same as above. To run command prompt commands *. 1. Click the Start button. 2. Type CMD. 3. Right-click on command prompt and select Run as administrator. 4. Copy and paste the desired command into the command prompt window and press Enter. 7. Installation of a third-party antivirus. Installing a third-party antivirus will automatically disable Windows Defender. You will have to uninstall the third-party antivirus to reactivate Windows Defender. Code examples, PowerShell and command prompt. Here are the code examples summarized. *PowerShell, disable. *PowerShell, enable. *command prompt, disable. *command prompt, enable. Important notes and best practices. Testing after disabling Defender, test your alternative antivirus solution thoroughly to ensure it's working as expected. Run a full system scan and verify that real-time protection is enabled. Updates keep your antivirus software, whether it's Defender or a third-party solution, up to date with the latest virus definitions and program updates. Outdated antivirus software is significantly less effective. Re-enable when done. If you only disabled Defender temporarily, example for software installation, remember to re-enable it as soon as possible. UAC user account control, UAC, can sometimes interfere with these methods. Ensure that you are running the commands, PowerShell, command prompt, registry editor, with administrator privileges. Group policy takes precedence. If you're in a domain environment, group policy settings will generally override local registry settings. Scan exclusions, alternative to disabling instead of completely disabling Defender, consider using scan exclusions. You can exclude specific files, folders, or processes from being scanned. This can help prevent false positives without sacrificing overall security. Example of setting scan exclusions using PowerShell *. This example excludes the C:\program whitespace files /my application folder from Defender scans. Troubleshooting. Access denied. If you get access denied errors when using regedit or command prompt, make sure you're running them as an administrator. Changes not taking effect. Restart your computer after making changes to the registry or group policy. Sometimes, it may take a few minutes for the changes to propagate. Defender re-enables itself. Defender is designed to be resilient. If it keeps re-enabling itself, double-check your group policy settings. A domain policy might be forcing it to stay enabled. Also, verify that you haven't inadvertently scheduled a Defender scan that re-enables real-time protection. Conflicting software. If you have other security software installed, example a firewall, it might be interfering with Defender. Check event logs. Examine the Windows event logs, especially the system and application logs, for any errors related to Defender. In summary, disabling Windows Defender should be done with caution and only when necessary. Always have a valid reason and a reliable alternative security solution in place. Use the least disruptive method possible, temporary disablement of real-time protection, whenever feasible. Remember to re-enable Defender as soon as you no longer need it disabled. And back up your registry before making any registry edits. Prioritize your system's security and be aware of the risks involved.